Hindi lang sa papel o mga ordinansa at resolusyon na natapos sa paglilingkod ng sangguniang panlalawigan. Ito ang naging pag-uulat ni Vice Governor 3rd Alcala sa flag raising ceremony kahapon ng pamahalaan panlalawigan. Ayon kay Vice Governor Alcala, kasama sa kanilang mandato ay ang pagbibigay ng tulong sa mga nangangailangan, katuwang ang iba't ibang sakay ng pamahalaan at mga non-government organizations. Ilan sa mga ito ay ang pagbibigay hanap buhay, pagbibigay ng ayuda sa mga biktima ng kalamidad, at pagtulong sa mga mahihirap na pasyente.
Pagbelow Team Energy, in consonance with the corporate social responsibility, they provided us with computers, printers, distributed to selected barangays and schools in different municipalities. PAGCOR, food and non-food packs given to fire victims of Lucena City. Medical assistance, we're fortunate to have been given funds by Senator Bongo, Senator Tolentino, and Senator Loren Ligarda through the Department of Health's MAIP from September 2023 up to present. 538 patients were given guarantee letters with a total amounting to 3,782,700. We're also close coordination with Party List Medical Assistance, TGP, and AKAI. The total amount of 435,000 and 28 assistive devices such as wheelchairs, walkers, saklay, tungkod from September to June 2024. Last but not the least, Office of the Vice Governor continues to assist and refer patients to PSWDO as well as regional DSWD satellite offices. Again, rest assured, your Vice Governor and the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Board members are always on the lookout for possible tie-ups with both government and non-government agencies so we can further provide assistance to and improve lives of our Quezonians.
Bert Abrigo nag-uulat para sa DZDG 96.7 Destiny Radio at your service.